Welcome to Exam Heist, your trusted partner in certification success. We provide comprehensive study materials, available both online and offline. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From in-depth PDF guides to structured practice sets, we covered all essential questions to help you in certificating. You'll always have the right resources at your fingertips. Download the PDFs, take practice tests, and connect with our expert support team. Interactive online practice support, so you can test yourself anytime, anywhere. Exam-ready PDFs, carefully curated with essential questions. Top performers consistently rely on Exam Heist. With thousands of learners already certified, we've built a reputation for quality and trust. Expert assistance, where certified professionals are available to answer your queries. And most importantly, content that stays up to date with the latest exam patterns. Start today, and move one step closer to your certification success. So don't wait. Give your preparation the winning edge with Exam Heist. Visit examheist.com now. Exam Heist, your journey to success starts here.
Question 1. Which of the following best describes why a chief audit executive might obtain the services of a fraud specialist to assist in a major fraud investigation? Option A. Fraud specialists are better at using computer-assisted audit techniques. Option B. Fraud specialists are better equipped to act as an expert witness in court. Option C. Fraud specialists are better able to properly apply due professional care. Option D. Fraud specialists are better at using crime scene investigation techniques. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option B. Fraud specialists are better equipped to act as an expert witness in court. Question 2. An external assessment of an organization's internal audit activity was last completed 4 years ago. Which of the following options would be acceptable this year if the internal audit activity is to fulfill the requirements of A. Standards? Option A. The internal audit activity conducts a self-assessment that is validated by a qualified and experienced internal auditor and then schedules a qualified, independent external assessor. Option B. The board nominates an independent individual from senior management in the organization to conduct an assessment of the internal audit activity. Option C. An external auditor conducts an audit of the organization, which includes information about the internal audit activity. Option D. The chief audit executive schedules a self-assessment and the board approves the results. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. The internal audit activity conducts a self-assessment that is validated by a qualified and experienced internal auditor and then schedules a qualified, independent external assessor. Visit examheist.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Exam Heist. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.